Hello guys, I'm back today with the part 2 of how to make thumbnail for your YouTube videos. I'll be using an app called Canva. If you don't have Canva, you can go to Play Store and download it, or I have given the link in the description box. So without wasting time, let's get started. So when you open the Canva for first time, it first loads the template, all the templates. And there you can see many templates are available of so many social medias. Canvas are available here, different size you can see, and here some people did some work, so that is available. If you don't get any template, you can search your template. I'm gonna write here thumbnail, and I'll select YouTube thumbnail, and you can see here many template Canva provided. You can select one of you if you like, but I'll select blank. I have my own image. So when it will load, now there a pop-up will appear. There are many editing options are there, or you can press the plus sign, and you can see here first templates. All those templates are given which were given starting, so you can select them from here if you like. And here are the some elements provided by Canva. You can search for any element like flower, you can see, and you can upload your images, and you can add texts and styles. Colors are available, fonts are available. As you can see, there are many fonts, all are free. So I'll take my own image. I have selected this image for Canva, and I'll drag it how I want it on my canvas. Yeah, so first, so from bottom down, you can given some editing options are given, you can see them. So you can adjust the brightness and all those things from this option. See the difference in the brightness and white, contrast and saturation. And from bottom you can see the different things are available, and then blur and then off. Now I'll add a text here. You can see many fun texts are available already here. You can select one of them. I'll add a heading. I'm writing there tech tube. I'll select the size. I'll select the text and increase its size. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, I'll decrease it up. Yeah, that looks okay. And then you can see many editing options of text that are also available. You can see them. So you can select the font size, fonts. You can select any fonts here, whichever font you like. I'll try one by one some fonts. It's too thick. It's okay. And there are some pro fonts also for which you need to pay. So I'm selecting a free font, and then font size you can decrease or increase. And you can format the text also. I'll click on spacing, and you can space the letter size, or if you have two or more than lines, so from line spacing you can select the space of the line. So I like this, and then I will go and give little bit line spacing. You can see, as you can see, if two lines are there, you can adjust the spacing between those two lines. I would like this, and then I'll increase the sound. I'll adjust the size now. You can see, you can give spacing also between letter if you want. Sorry. Yeah. So now you can go there and apply some effects to it. You can see styles. There are some shadows available, lift, hollow. You can see there are many available effects. So you can go in one of them. I like this shadow. In between you can click and select the setting of the shadow. See on the between here. You can select the transparency of the shadow, from which direction, blur you can select, and transparency. I guess looks good. You can play with these options and watch how you get the better result. Yeah, looks good. Now I'll add some elements here. So I want a line here. You can you can erase and write line, and then you'll get many free lines, and you can select one of them. I have selected this, and now lines, elements, many editing options are available. You can see color of the line. I'll let it be white, or you can select any color which you like. I want it white. From here you can select the line of the thickness of the line and make it a little bit thick, and then place it on top. You can see many styles are available of line, but I'll rather keep it simple. You can select the size, you can adjust it wherever you want. You can place the line properly. Yeah, it looks good. You can select another line. I am selecting and keeping little bit up of tech tube, so looks nice. You can select many elements. You can just watch and play with those elements. You can see how better you get result. Yeah, I would little bit make it shorter. Yeah, looks good. So now how to save this image? At the up of, you can see at the up, you can click there, save button here, download button, and it will start saving your image, whatever you have made. You can see. So I hope you would have got the idea of how you can create a basic thumbnail in Canva. So for today only this much. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.